When we live in constant stress, our bodies produce too much of certain hormones. These hormones were designed to protect us in short bursts, but when they stay elevated for too long, they start working against us. Cortisol, known as a stress hormone, in small doses, it helps us respond to danger. But in chronic stress, high cortisol leads to belly fat, poor sleep, and sugar cravings. Ghrelin. This is the hunger hormone. Stress throws it out of balance, and it makes you feel hungry even when your body doesn't need food. Adrenaline, when overproduced, it keeps your heart racing, your chest tight, and your body restless, even when you want to rest. And let me be real, I'm not telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I lived. My blood pressure got so high that my doctor refused to even do my blood work in the office. This happened not once, not twice, but 3 different times. My blood pressure was that high. It was that dangerous. I had to be put on medicine to quickly bring my blood pressure down. I was sent to a cardiologist and he put me on 3 different blood pressure medications. My body was waving the red flag loud and clear, but I wasn't paying attention. And to make matters worse, I was at my heaviest weight. No matter how clean I was eating, no matter how consistent I was with working out with my trainer 2 to 3 times a week, my body just wasn't responding. That's when I knew this wasn't about my diet and exercise. This was burnout showing up in my health, and my body was crying out for a different approach. Here's the good news. You can reset your body. It starts by recognizing that rest is not a weakness. It's a weapon. Adding just one new rhythm of rest into your week, like unplugging at night or journaling or setting a cutoff time for work, can actually begin to lower cortisol and restore balance. If this helps you understand what's really going on inside of your body, make sure you subscribe for the next video in this series. And don't forget to grab your free burnout recovery checklist. It's in the description below. It's a simple resource to help you start building habits that support your body, mind, and your spirit.